guys, this is Mako. Let's go. So I would like to share you a simple technique in Microsoft Excel. So this is the one that I've been using for a long time. I haven't seen other people using this technique, so I'm not sure if you are familiar with this formula or condition that we're going to explore right now. Okay, so I've been using this one when I was in planning, so I think it will help you if you are in the same field. Okay, so let's start. So this is our target to achieve: how to search a text or word within the cell and use it in calculation. Okay, so usually it is easy to search any text or numbers using VLOOKUP or matching. So that is the common formula that we can use in searching or finding character, text, numbers in any cell or any columns or any rows in Excel. But this time we're going to search a text within the cell. This is our data sets. What we're going to do here is to search or define or determine the assembly in these data sets. So meaning this data sets is a combination of the assembly and the materials or machine parts. So we're going to determine the assembly in this list. Okay, so the formula that we're going to use is search. So it is very simple. Search, then open parenthesis. So as you can see here, find text. So right now we already have the assembly here, so we can just click the ASCII. Then you need to press the F4 so it will put the dollar on the cell. So meaning when you copy this formula, it will not move from this cell. Okay, so we're going to find the assembly or ASCII in these data sets. So within text, so we'll just click this cell, then we'll just put any numbers here. So usually we put the 1 here on the start number. So meaning when the assembly or ASCII was detected in this cell, then it will tells you what is the number of the character or in the sequence. So the formula will just count the number of characters when it was started, the text that we're going to find. Okay, so then close parenthesis. Okay, so right now it is error because there's no ASCII in this cell. So what we are going to do is just copy this one, copy and paste in our data sets. Okay, so as you can see, there's a numbers here. So we have a value of 11, 8, 9, 8, 8. So meaning on the 11th character of this cell, the ASCII has been started. So the letter A is number 11 for the cell. Okay, so we already have the numbers here with assembly. So we're going to add a condition to determine that this cell is assembly. Let us replace the value with the numbers of hours of assembly. So meaning if the formula detected that it is a number, then we will replace it with the assembly number of hours value, which is 2.5. Okay, So what we're going to do here is just add the if function. If is error formula. Copy this original formula. Then let's add is if is error. Then you will just move the mouse here. Then select the error is error. Then press the tab button. Then this is our value, our original formula. So I move the cursor here at the end. Then I put the close parenthesis. So this is our logical test. Then comma. So what is the value when it is error? So let's just put the indication or high dash for the error. And then if it is numbers or the 11, 8, 9, 8, 8, so let's replace now with the number of hours. Okay, so I click the 2.5 here and press again the F4 so it will not move. Then close parenthesis. Okay, so as you can see, our cell now is dash, and if we copy paste this one, it will give you now the 2.5. Okay, so are you following so far? So right now we have now the assembly time. Okay, so let's say you're going to add now the total of the assembly time. Let's insert a column. So what we're going to do here is to just multiply the quantity times 2.5. If the assembly is a number or a value, then we will multiply it to 2.5. We will be using the ifs formula. So meaning we're going to use two if. So the first if is ifs. Okay, so if this assembly time is equal to dash, right, because this is dash, then we will make it blank again, or dash. So that's the first if. Then the logical test number 2, if this assembly time is greater than 0, so meaning it is number, then we will multiply the quantity times the assembly time. Okay, so it's very simple, just a combination of two ifs. Then we'll press enter. So we'll just copy paste this. Okay, then as you can see, it will gives you the total number of hours. So we will just put the sum of this assembly time. So just make it sum formula. Then we will just highlight the assembly column and press enter. Then we can make it a 2 decimal point if you want, so just press this button. So I hope it will help you in your calculation. So it is applicable in any field, I think so, but mostly I use this in planning when calculating the number of hours, if it is assembly or machine time or any given time that requires. So yeah, that's it. It's very simple. So we just use the search formula, then we add the if is error formula, then we add additional two ifs in the total assembly hours. So if you have a question or clarification that you want to ask, just make a comment and I will answer your question. And if you think that this tutorial helps you, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Have a good day.